Okay, so I made a video earlier today when the Yankees signed DJ LeMahieu to a 6-year contract, and I mentioned that they were going to start looking at starting pitching. Well, it's about 12 hours later, and they've already signed one of their top starting pitching targets, Corey Kluber. So Kluber won the Cy Young Award in 2017 and in 2014, so he has a very good resume. And in 2019, he missed almost the whole season, and in 2020, he only pitched 1 inning. But if in 2021, he can come back to form, he will be our number 2 starter. So think about that. Our rotation is, in the playoffs, will be Cole, Severino, Kluber, potentially Paxton if we sign him, Montgomery, Garcia, Herman. Now, the Yankees have one of the best rotations in the MLB, going from just Cole and really nobody else. Once Severino comes back, we'll have Kluber as well. We could get Paxton. I think the Yankees will sign one more starter possibly. But yeah, so like I did with the DJ LeMahieu video, here are some Corey Kluber highlights.
And that's what they're looking for tonight.
Struck him out looking, and he knew it. Swung out and missed. He struck him out with a high fastball, and that'll end the inning. Struck him out with it. High fly ball. Center field, Martin makes the catch.
He is looking for that arm slot to where he can be consistent all the time. But there you go. He strikes out the side after he gives a leadoff single.
The 3 best hitters, the Reds.
Here's the 2-2 pitch to Aducci. They got him to swing and miss. And a swing and a miss there.
There's your wipeout curveball.
And a swing and a miss. So Corey Kluber.
Thing of it is, got him. There it is.
Swing and a miss. You called it, Arch. Strikeout number 5 today for Corey Kluber.